Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off text messages, get SMS delivery reports on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, open up the text messaging app. In here, tap on the profile icon in the search bar. Now from the pop-up, tap on Messages Settings. Then we go down and tap on Advanced. Now in the Advanced screen, tap on Get SMS Delivery Reports. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. And this will allow you to find out when an SMS message is delivered. Otherwise, you can switch it off if it's not important to get that report. And after that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your messages screen, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.